Every day, the world wakes up, birds sing, rivers sparkle, and opportunities quietly knock. But some sell those mornings. They trade them for comfort, for sleep, for excuses. This is the story of one such man, a man who did not realize that the mornings he sold were the hours of his life that could have changed everything. His name was Haroon. Every morning, the alarm rang like a gentle reminder of life waiting outside. But Haroon ignored it. He traded his mornings for a warm bed and dreams he never remembered. He believed he was resting, but in truth, he was renting his time to nothing. The more he slept, the more life moved on without him. Neighbors would wake, children would play, merchants would open shops, and Haroon,
He dreamed of waking up. Tomorrow I'll waste tomorrow.
each morning he slept. The world builds a tower he never climbed. Each sunrise was a coin he could have spent wisely, yet he let it vanish. One morning, a stranger appeared. He held a tiny hourglass that glowed like a captured sunlight. This is your life, measured in mornings, the stranger said. For every sunrise you waste, a grain falls into emptiness. Haroon laughed. It's just sleep, he said. I will catch up tomorrow. The stranger shook his head. Mornings do not return. Once sold, they are gone forever. And then, as suddenly as he appeared, he vanished, leaving the hourglass glowing on Haroon's nightstand. He soon realized something terrifying. The world hadn't stopped, only he had. Everyone else had moved on, chasing the sunlight he refused to see. Opportunities he ignored now belonged to others. Dreams he deferred had sprouted in someone else's hands. Every morning he had sold, every hour he had rented to comfort, had built a wall between him and life. He tried to chase the sun, but it no longer waited. He was late to his own life. Time is a river. Sleep may seem like a boat, but if you drift too long, the current carries everything past you. In despair, Haroon remembered the stranger's words. He looked at the hourglass nearly empty. Only a few grains remained. He realized mornings were not just hours, they were life's secret, powerful, golden moments. Moments when clarity comes, energy rises, and dreams are born. So he vowed, never again. The next morning, he walked before the sun. He walked through the village, greeted by familiar faces, but now he saw them differently. Life wasn't a spectator sport, it was a game he had the power to play. And every morning, he trained himself, first with small steps, making tea, reading, walking, then with bigger dreams, harder tasks, long forgotten goals. Each sunrise he reclaimed was a grain of gold, each act a new seed for life he wanted. Haroon learned the truth too late for some, but just in time for himself. Winning your mornings means winning your life. The hours you claim are the hours that build your future. And the twist, some mornings he still feels the old pull of comfort, but now he knows each sunrise is a choice, and the richest life belongs to those who rise it to meet. So today, when the alarm rings, do not hit snooze. Do not rent your mornings to comfort. Wake up, take your hours, and start building the life only your sunrise can create. If this story moved you, subscribe for more stories. Because here we don't give up.